Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now let's do the unboxing. I just got iPhone 16 Pro Max, 1TB, Desert Titanium.
Yung ano.
So guys, included in the box, the wire, and then the pin, and the phone itself. Yeah. Wow. See, these are the buttons.
Laki. Nag-ilaw na siya.
Hello. Yeah, United Arab Emirates.
I think you need to get your other phone.